Hello, this is InstaPunchout demo for Odoo. As you can see here, this is an Odoo shop and we can go ahead, for example, and log out. Right now we're logged out and our plugin is already installed. So on the procurement system, this is a simulation for the procurement system. A user will come in and they will see a list of catalogs, and we simulate that here by clicking the test button. When we click the test button, the same shop will open, but this time, as you can see, we're logged in. So we can go ahead and browse the shop, add items to it. Let's add another item. And when we go to the cart, instead of the regular checkout button, we'll see this punch out button. When we click on the punch out button, in the real scenario, it will take us back to the procurement system. In this instance, since this is a test simulation in our system, it takes us back to our platform InstaPunchout. And as you can see here, this is a snapshot of the message that we would send back to the procurement system, along with all the data that the cart would contain. So that's allow us to add any data that we later on need to customize, for example. And when this message goes back to the procurement system, at this point it's a quote in their system and someone needs to approve it to become a purchase order. When someone approves it and it becomes a purchase order, it gets sent to our system and we can simulate that here by clicking flip to order request and submit. At that point, it becomes an order in our system, and usually we have settings that will send this automatically to Odoo, but for testing purposes we keep that initially disabled so that we can come here, confirm that everything is fine. Usually the shipping address and billing address will come from the procurement system, so they should always be fine. When we click send, for example, if there is something missing, it won't get sent and you'll get an email notification of that. Let's fix that, for example. So now let's try to send the order again to Odoo. And as we see, it's successfully sent. Let's go and check Odoo. Let's refresh the page. And as you can see here, this is the latest one. And it contains this. This is the order that was just created now. We also do support shipping notices and invoices and order confirmations, but that's outside of the scope of this demo. Thank you very much.